Hi, welcome to this video, which is all about Forex scalping courses and strategies. Now, in terms of trading short term, of the shorter term charts within a day, a large percentage of beginners, retail traders getting started in the FX markets want to do it, and they hunt out the best courses and strategies. We very often get asked which is the best. Our answer is basically always the same. Don't even waste your time or money on buying a scalping course or strategy. Retail traders do not win. The odds are firmly against you, and the facts prove it. Now, I'm just going to go through the facts in relation to Forex scalping and why it doesn't work for retail traders, and also why it is so popular when the evidence is clear it doesn't work. I've actually written up some points on a storyboard, so let's go and take a look at them. Right, let's have a look at some facts in relation to Forex scalping and why it's not a good idea for retail traders. Now, in terms of point number one, it should be a really big red flag to anyone considering scalping. No course or strategy that I've seen online has any real-time proof of profits. They do not present an audited track record. They don't even do real trades in advance so you can see them. They produce no evidence of profits, but they know they can sell the course or strategy because it's going to appeal the concept of scalping to certain myths that traders believe. Now, in terms of a big myth in Forex trading, it's effort equals profits. Now, in everyday life, that's true. Okay, we're taught the harder you work, the more you'll get. Okay, as a general rule. In Forex trading, that is not the case. Okay. Now, these scalping courses and strategies that say you can sit in front of a screen for a few hours a day, and then at the end of that day, you can come away with an amount of money, or you can make a regular weekly income or monthly income, are lying, because you are trading mostly noise, and you're basically trading with very low odds of success on the lower time frames, which I'll come to in a moment. So the idea of putting in all this effort is just a complete waste of time. Most traders I know operate on higher time frames where the odds and probabilities are better of success. Will trade between maybe 30 minutes, hour a day max, no more than that. Okay, effort doesn't equal profits. Okay, the myth of a regular income, touched on it already. Basically, if traders want to see it as just a normal job, a regular job where you get a regular income, you put in effort, and you make money from that effort. It's just not true. Okay, and I would say that even the best traders will have a few months of drawdown at times. George Soros, Ray Dalio, Jim Rogers. That's just common. You're not going to get an income every single month. Your profits and losses will be kind of randomly distributed throughout a year. That's just the way it is. I tend to find that we make most of our money in 4 months of the year. The other 8 tend to be okay, or you're in a bit of a drawdown. But you can't guarantee money every month or every week, as some of these scalping courses and strategies say. Right. Point number 5, it's seen as a low risk way of trading. The idea is you're just going for small profits, you're going to snatch them, and you're using a tight stop loss. Well, that's true, okay? But your problem is your winners are never going to cover your losers, okay? And what you'll find is your account equity will just get eroded. There was a scalper, or someone who was an ex-scalper, who said to me, it's like death by 1,000 cuts. You don't lose big, you just see your equity eroded. That is what will happen to scalpers and day traders. Now, traders are basically fooled by the clustering illusion when they look at charts. If you look at a monthly chart, a weekly chart, daily chart, hourly chart, even a second chart, they're all going to look the same, aren't they? You're going to see trends, you're going to see sideways action, you're going to see patterns. The problem is, on the lower time frames, those patterns just basically formed randomly. So you basically got what's called a hindsight illusion. Now, it's clustering. You're just seeing patterns in hindsight. You wouldn't have seen them at the time, okay? And if you think about it, just go get a really short-term chart up and a really long-term chart and you'll see the same patterns in each. Clustering illusion, go and look it up. It's one of the things our brains just like to see patterns. And that's what we do when we look at charts. Now, in terms of, in scalping, you can get a high win rate. I've already talked about, you're snatching in small profits, but you don't cover your losses. That's just generally what happens to scalpers. It's just basically, breaking one of the key rules of trading, which is let your profits run and cut your losers. A lot of people who try scalping, and I've spoken to quite a few people, will have high win rates, 70, 80%. Okay, professional traders who make money may have a win rate of 50% or less, some 30%, some 20%, depending on the type of strategy. They're not interested in how many trades they win. They're interested in keeping the losses small and getting big profits on the other side. Okay, so a big mistake I think Forex traders make is they want to win as many trades as possible. That basically works against any trader and will ensure that they lose. Now, in terms of pro scalpers, there are scalpers who do make money, but they're professionals and they'll prey on retail traders. And they'll be using HFTs or high frequency trading programs. They're lightning quick. A good HFT can do several hundred orders in the time that you blink your eye. So they're lightning quick, and they go and they push price around. They know where the retail traders' stops are. They're very active at big news events when retail traders, let's say you get a bullish news release for a currency, retail trader comes in, the HFT's already in, push the price up, then they'll turn and push the price back down because they know the scalper is going to have a close stop. It's huge business. Now HFT, before anyone writes me saying, can I get hold of one? Well, if you've got several $1 million, but no is the answer. These machines, they take a lot to develop, and the running costs are high as well. Okay, to win at Forex trading, what do you need to do? You need to go up to higher time frames. In terms of traders, I know most traders will be looking daily, weekly, and monthly charts, probably trading off the daily time frames. I know some traders who go down for timing to the 4 hour, some to the 1 hour. No successful trader I know will go down lower than that. And most of the traders I know who are successful, okay, they might make a profit in a day on occasions, but normally they're looking a little bit longer term, depending on the type of strategy they've got. If it's swing trading strategy, probably a few days, trend following strategy, a few weeks. Do not be fooled by scalping. Total waste of time. You'll lose your money. The facts prove for retail traders it does not work. And one final point, before anyone writes me and says, well, brokers say it's a great idea. Of course they do, because they're going to make money from you trading frequently, and they're a market maker. They're going to make money from your losses. Okay, do your research. You'll find out scalping is not a good thing to do. Go to the higher time frames, get yourself a simple strategy, and you'll make money. Right, that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me as usual. Take care. Have a good day.